Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare the Kia Sportage versus the MG HS in a full performance showdown. We're putting these popular SUVs to the test on the track to see which one truly dominates in a drag race. Get ready for a detailed look at their acceleration, power, and overall speed capabilities. Let's dive into the specifics and find out which vehicle comes out on top. Let's talk power. The Kia Sportage often comes equipped with a 2.5-liter engine, delivering around 187 horsepower, providing robust acceleration. In contrast, the MG HS typically features a 1.5-liter engine, generating about 160 horsepower. We'll analyze how these power differences translate into real-world performance, especially their crucial 0 to 60 miles per hour sprint times, to see which one pulls ahead. Beyond raw power, driving dynamics are crucial. Both the Sportage and HS typically employ automatic transmissions, optimizing gear changes for performance. We'll also consider how their suspension setups influence stability during rapid acceleration and at speed. Furthermore, the weight distribution of each vehicle can significantly affect its launch efficiency and overall handling, which are key factors in any drag race scenario. So, after a thorough comparison, the Kia Sportage often shows a slight advantage in pure drag race acceleration, thanks to its larger engine. However, the MG HS delivers a very competitive performance, especially when considering its overall value proposition. Both are excellent SUVs, but your choice depends on whether you prioritize raw speed or a balanced package. Don't forget to check the description for a link to those fantastic meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.